Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. While Bitcoin actually showed some upside momentum today and broke above initial resistance, but I think Bitcoin got rejected from the second resistance area so far. And we're tracking there a potential 5-wave move up now, but it's not complete yet. But on the ETH chart, yeah, I mean, not very impressed. ETH can still impress with a break above the green line, $3,300. But the overall correction, there's no evidence as such that this correction is completed. It could be because it did what it needed to do. I mean, that's what I can say. I mean, the count is full technically. So we've got 3 waves down into support, 3 waves to the 100% extension target of the C wave. So the A wave, 100% extension, gives us the target for the C wave as per the yellow count, as per this yellow scenario. And this technically, I mean, could be enough to complete this correction, but we always need an impulsive break above resistance to confirm, ideally followed by a 3-wave pullback. The problem is I only have a 3-wave rally from the low. So this here is an ABC rally. So that means that keeps the door open for one more low. And also the move down, it would look better with one more low, technically. But we don't need it, okay? So it's done enough in terms of correcting. So therefore, I added already the yellow count a few days ago and highlighted right. I mean, especially with the price reaching the 100% extension target down there, it's enough to consider this entire correction complete, but not enough to confirm that it's complete. I think that is a very, very important difference that we should be very much aware of. However, because we only have 3 waves up, I'm still focusing on one more low here in the white count. So let's zoom in a bit and go to the 30-minute chart. But I mentioned it already earlier today on Discord that should we get a sustained break above 3083, it will increase probabilities that a low has formed. And if we get a break above 3200, I will start to assume the low is in. But it takes a break above 3,300 to confirm it. I think this is sort of the 3 steps of probability changes. But overall, Ether hasn't gone anywhere since the low on Saturday. And had this been a 5-wave move up, it would be much clearer. So it could be a triangle that's forming. There's so many options, but a break above resistance will already give us some clues that things are changing. And until that happens, though, I'm looking for another low. Doesn't mean I wouldn't already, potentially start to add positions or scale in, but I'm rather focusing on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is still leading. Ether hasn't started to outperform Bitcoin yet, so no point really focusing too much on ETH. And yeah, I mean, if this gets further lows, then I have to say that it looks as if this move down is actually a diagonal. So the C wave is a diagonal, and we're currently doing like an AB, of wave 3, and it could get another C wave down. That's a count that is likely as long as we don't break above the intraday high, because then it would take it above resistance, the initial resistance, and that would invalidate this idea here. Well, it could still be then that we're doing this like an extended one too. That wouldn't be great because that would push targets further down. So let's see, ideally, either it turns around here to the downside and then we may get to 2,790 in wave C of 3, then get a wave 4 bounce and wrap it all up in the region around 2,600. Or we've already bottomed and we are going to blast through. So either for me, it's one more low or the low is in. That's at least currently my perspective. So I already added BTC today, a few other coins. I mentioned that always on Discord when I buy. But yeah, I don't encourage anybody to follow because my strategy is different than, everybody's got their individual personal journey and average cost and everything. And all of that influences the trading decisions. Okay. So yeah, but anyway, just want to mention, I did add a little bit, not ETH today. Doesn't impress me at the moment. So Bitcoin seems a bit more attractive at the moment. But yeah, I'll keep you updated about the developments here. So pay attention to these levels, especially important, in my opinion, the levels 3,200 and then here this Monday high of 3,300. All eyes need to be on these levels. Against them, we can still focus on lower for 1 or 2 more lows as per the white count. That's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.